From Adi Sharma, Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter number 6, that is Algebraic Expression and Identity. In that exercise 6.4, find the product of first one. Here we have to find only product a cube into 3a plus 5b. Let us see. Now we just open the bracket of this. So equal to 3a multiplied by 2a cube multiplied by 3a plus 2a cube multiplied by 5b. Okay, so equal to 2 into 3 is 6, a into 3 is 3 plus 1 because it is in multiplication. 3 a raised to m and a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So 3 plus 1 plus 2, 2 5s are 10, a raised to 3 and b, so which is equal to 6, a raised to 4 plus 10, a raised to 3, b is the answer. Okay. Now second one, 11 minus 11a into 3a plus 2b. So what we have to do, first of all we'll open the bracket, which is equal to minus 11a into 3a minus plus minus. Okay, so 11a into 2b, so equal to 11 into 3 is minus 33, a 1 plus 1 minus 11 into 2 is 22 a b, which now what is the answer here? Minus 33 a square, a 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 22 ab. Now third one, 6x upon 5 x square plus y x cube minus plus y cube. So equal to, here also we'll open the bracket. So x is x upon 5 into x cube plus 6x upon 5 into y cube. So which is equal to 6 multiplications x raised to 3 plus 1 4 upon 5 plus 6xy cube upon 5. So what is the answer? 6x raised to 4 upon 5 plus 6 upon 5 xy raised to cube. Now let us see the seventh one. Now here 0.1y into 0.1xy plus 0.1y, which is equal to 0.1y into 0.1x raised to 5 plus 0.1y into 0.1y, so which is equal to 0.1 into 0.1, 0.01 x raised to 5 y plus 0. Into 0.1, 0.01 y 1 here and 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 0.01 y raised x raised to 5 y plus 0.01 y raised to square. Now another question, 8th one, minus 7 upon 4 a b square c minus 6 upon 25 a square c square minus 50 a square b square c square. So what is, we have to just open the bracket. So first of all, near minus 50 a square b square c square into minus 7 upon 4 a square b square a b square c minus minus plus 50 a square b square c square into 6 upon 25 a square 6 c square. Now what we have to do? Only multiplication. First of all, we do 50 into 7 is minus minus plus, so 3350. Okay, then upon 4 a raised to square plus 1 b raised to square plus 2, here 2 is their power, and c raised to square plus 1. So plus 50 into 6 is 300 upon 25, a square plus 2 b square and c plus square plus c, so which is equal to, here 2 2s are 2, 175s are, and this one is 25 ones are 12, 12s are 300. So 175 upon 2, a raised to 3, b raised to 4, c raised to 3 plus 12, a raised to 4, b raised to 2 and c raised to 4 is the answer. Now here we have to multiply first, which is 4 upon 27 x y z multiply by 9 upon 2 x square y z minus minus plus 4 upon 27 x y z multiply by 3 upon 4 x y z square. Okay, now we'll multiply 4 into 9 is 36, so it is minus 36 upon 27 into 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 54 x raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2 y raised to 1 plus 1 and z raised to 1 plus 1 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 27 into 4 is 27, 7 2s are 7 4s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 108 x raised to 1 plus 1 y raised to 1 plus 1 and z raised to 2 plus 1. So now 18 2s are and 18 3s are, here 12 1s are and 12 19s are, sorry 9s are, is 108. Then what is the answer? Minus 2 upon 3 x raised to 3 y raised to 2 z raised to 2 plus 1 upon 9 x raised to 2 y raised to 2 and z raised to 3 is the answer. 11th one, 1.5x 10 square xy minus 10 100 xy square. Now what we have to do here? Open the bracket. So 1.5x into 10 square xy minus 1.5x into 100 xy square. So we have to multiply. Here it is x square. Okay. Now 1.5 into 10 is 15. X raised to 2 plus 1 y minus 1.5 into 100 is 150. X raised to 1 plus 1 y square, so equal to 15 x raised to 3 y minus 150 x raised to 2 y square is the answer. 13th one, 250.5 xy into bracket xz plus 7y upon 10. So what we have to do? 250.5 xy into xz plus 250.5 in xy into y upon 10. Okay, now we have to multiply 250.5 into 1 is 250.5 x raised to 1 plus 1 y and z plus 250.5 upon 10 x y raised to 1 plus 1. Now 250.5 x raised to 2 y z plus, here multiply by 10, so 25.05 xy square is the answer. 15th one, 4 upon 3 a square plus b square minus c square, which is equal to 4 upon 3 a into a square plus 4 upon 3a into b square plus minus, here minus is there, minus plus minus 4 upon 3a into c square. So answer is 4 upon 3a. Multiplication, so 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 4 upon 3a b square minus 4 upon 3a c square is the answer. Question number 16. Find the product 24 square into 1 minus 2x and evaluate its value for x equal to 3. Now 61 we have to solve this with the product and we have to keep the x equal to 3. First of all, we'll solve this, which is 24x into 1 is 24x square minus 24x square into 2x, which is equal to 24x square minus 24 into 2 is 4 to the 8, 4 to the 4, x square plus 1, which is equal to 24 x square minus 48 x raised to 3 is the answer. Now what we have to do, the value is for x equal to 3. Now instead of x we have to put the x equal to 3, which is 24 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 cube, which is equal to 24, 3 3s are 9 minus 48, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So multiply it, 24 into 9 is 120, 216 minus 48 into 27 is 1296. So now we have to minus it, minus equal to minus 216, which is 1080 is the answer. Here it will come minus because here greater number is 1296. Number 20, first one, 2x square x cube minus x minus 3x x square raised to 4 plus 2x minus 2x raised to 4 minus 3x square. Now first of all we will just open all the bracket, so which is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 x raised to 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 1 2 x raised to 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 1 3 x raised to 1 plus 4 minus plus minus plus minus 3 to the 6 x raised to 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 2 x raised to 4 2 into 3 minus minus plus 6 x raised to 2. So which is equal to 2 x raised to 5 minus 2 x raised to 3 minus 3 x raised to 5 minus 6 x raised to 2 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 6x square. Now whichever the same power term we will write together. So with this term and this term is same. So 2x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 5. Another one minus 2x raised to 4 is same. So we will write that minus 2, single term it is that, so single. Now minus 2x raised to 3. Now another one is minus 6x square plus 6x square, both are same. So this one we can cancel here only because minus 6x square and plus 6x square is 0, which is equal to 2 raised to x raised to 5 minus 2 minus 3 is minus x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 3 is the answer. Third one, 3a square plus 2a plus 2 minus 3a bracket 2a plus 1 is the question. Now what we have to do, first open the bracket, so equal to 3a square plus 2 into a is 2a plus 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 2 to the 4 minus plus minus 3 to the 6 a raised to 1 plus 1 and plus minus minus 3a into 1 is 3, which is equal to 3a square plus 2a plus 4 minus 6a square minus 3a. Now whichever the power are same, we'll write together. So 3a square minus 6a square plus 2a minus 3a plus 4. So 3a square minus 6a. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3a square. 2 minus 3 is minus 1a, means only a, and plus 4 is the answer. Fifth one, we'll just open the bracket. So a into b is ab minus a into c is ac minus b into c is bc minus minus plus a into b is ab minus c into a is ac minus minus plus b into c is bc. Okay, now same term we'll write together. So ab, this ab plus ab and minus ac, here also minus ac minus bc plus bc. This ab plus ab is 2ab minus ac is minus 2ac and minus bc plus bc, that is 0. So we can cancel here. The answer is 2ab minus 2ac. Now this is our question. First of all, what we have to do? We have to open the bracket. So equal to 4a, 4 into 1 is 4, a into a is 1 plus 1 and b, then 4 into 1 minus 4, a, b, 1 plus 1 minus 6 into 1 is 6, a square b minus minus plus 6 a square b square minus 3 into 2 is 6, x square b square minus minus plus 3 into 1 is 3, a b square plus 2 into 1 is 2, a b 1 plus 1 and minus plus minus minus 2 into 1 is 2, a 1 plus 1 b square b. Okay, now what we have to do? We'll plus the power, which is 4a square b minus 4ab square minus 6a square b plus 6a square b square minus 6a square b square plus 3ab square plus 2ab square minus 2a square b. Now whichever the same term we will write together. So first of all, we'll see this a square b. Here a square b is there, so this one 6, a square b, anyone is there, a square b, this. So we'll write together, which is 4 a square b minus 6 a square b and minus 2 a square b. Now minus 4 a square a b square. So minus 4 a b square, another one plus 3 a b square and plus 2 a b square. So plus 3 a b square plus 2 a b square. Now only term remaining is these two. So they are also same, plus 6 a square b square minus 6 a square b square. If you want to cancel over here only, you can cancel it. Otherwise we are cancelling here because plus minus minus, so 6 minus 6 is 0. So now here 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is, I am writing that a square b is common. 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus, let us write plus a b square minus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Only the coefficient I had written in brackets, so it will make you easier. Now 4 minus 6 is 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4a square b, then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, so plus a b square is the answer. 11th one, that is 3 by 2 x square minus 1 plus 1 by 4 x square plus 2 minus 3 by 4 x cube minus 1. First of all, open the bracket, which is 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2 x square plus 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2 x square plus 1 by 4 into x square is 1 by 4 x square plus 2 plus into 1 is 1 by 4 only x square plus 1 minus plus minus 3 by 4 into 1 is 3 by 4 x raised to 1 plus 3 and minus plus 3 by 4 x equal to, now plus the power which is 3 by 2 x raised to 4 minus 3 by 2 x square plus 1 by 4 x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 x raised to 3 minus 3 by 4 x raised to 4 plus 3 by 4 x. Now what we have to do, we will just keep the power together. So this 1 x raised to 4, 2 and 3. So what we have to do, 3 by 2 x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 x raised to 4 minus 3 by 4 x raised to 4. Now with the x raised to 3 as it is, and x raised to 2 is also as it is, and plus 3 by 4 x. Now I am writing the coefficient in bracket, x raised to 4 common, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x, which is equal to, now here multiply by LCM is 4, so multiply by 2, 1 and 1. So x raised to 4, 2 3s are 6 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x, which is equal to, now 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 upon 4 x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x. So which is equal to 1s only. So 1 into x raised to 4 is x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x is the answer. Now 12th one, this your question, we have to open the bracket, so equal to a square plus 1b, because a square here into a raised to 1, so a square plus 1 plus b minus a square b 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, a raised to 1 plus 1 b raised to 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 a raised to 2 plus 1 b square minus a raised to 3 b minus plus 2 a raised to 3 b 1 plus 1 plus the power a raised to 3 b minus a raised to 2 3 plus 4 a square b raised to 3 minus 2 a raised to 3 b raised to 2 minus a raised to 3 b plus 2 a raised to 3 b 2. Now same power we have to write together. So a raised to cube b, anything, yes, it is there here, right? So a raised to 3b minus a raised to 3b. Another one, a square b cube, x square b cube, this 4 a square, so minus a square b cube plus 4 a square b cube minus 2a cube b square and plus 2a cube b square. Now if you want to cancel over minus plus, you can cancel here also, or you can write here also. So this one is cancelled because 1 minus 1 is 0. Here also cancel because 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we have to write this one only. So which is equal to plus minus minus. So 1 minus 5 is 1 minus 4 is 3. Right, with sign positive. So 3a square b cube is the answer. Now 13th one, open the bracket. So a plus 3b minus a2 plus 1b plus a square b minus a4 plus 1b minus plus 2a raised to 2 plus 1b and minus plus minus 2a raised to 1 plus 1b. Now minus b a cube b plus a square b minus plus b, which is equal to a raised to 5b minus a raised to 3b plus a square b minus a raised to 5b plus 2a raised to 3b minus 2a raised to square b minus a cube b plus a square b plus b. Now same value we'll write together, which is first is for a raised to 5. So same a raised to 5b minus a raised to 5b. Now for the cube, a raised to cube b and this one. Okay, another one is also there here. So minus a cube b plus 2a cube b minus a cube b. Now a square b plus a square b minus 2a square b plus a square b and plus b. Now we can cancel this here. Minus 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So these 3 also can cancel, and here 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this one also we can cancel. So answer is B only. Okay. So answer is equal to B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.